parts. Sorry. So much. Oh, the piano I played. Components, the stuff, more stuff. Did it last? Yes, it lasted. The windows and shit. More stuff. Actually built this cabinet. It's not quite fine furniture. It's Castor's shit furniture. So okay. This, God damn it. This is what happens all the time. And then the parts here like so. These are grounded to this, the whole desk. Where the cables go and a whole bunch of other stuff. I still need to wash the floors, but all of this has been vacuumed, all of this has been wiped down, some of this has been wiped down, all of this bed has been cleaned like a hospital, all of this has been well checked, but the program is shit, and the containments are in again, so you know, I hope I can buy the LEDs for a VAT somewhere, put together, make it work with less money, and then fix the power distribution thing for that, which is the blue box down there, which is supposed to be this pile of stuff I actually paid for. Whoopsie daisy. So, you know, more stuff. The remote controls, I have to go up there to. This is the command wire for that light. It's a stupid idea. 3D printer stuff. I don't have 3D printer, but the helmet's frozen. No. Shiny brass. Shiny. These are glass, so they will break. Yep. I forgot one of the most important things besides the cable thing that goes on there. Recycling and trash and subwoofer and more stuff. Yep.